day, viewers. My name is Yemi, the son of Olushola, from Sayemi Nature Science Center. Now, what am I going to talk about today? I'm going to talk about something that is fundamental to man. And what is that? That's what we call semen analysis. Semen. What a man ejaculates into the wife during coitus, it is not water. I see many men, they say, when I ejaculate into my wife, the thing comes back, everything flows. It's not water. You know, what a man ejaculates into the woman, they swim like tadpoles. That's what we call the spermatozoans. You know, they swim like tadpoles. And a good man, during a sexual intercourse, will ejaculate 600,000 spermatozoa. And only one of them will go in the 599,990 spermatozoa will come back. If we are going to have a twins, one spermatozoa can fertilize 2 eggs. 1 egg fertilized can become 2. And that's why you have identical twins, you know what I'm saying? So, that something is coming back. The day you have a sex intercourse with your wife and nothing flow back from that woman, that means you are not having a problem as a man, not the woman. It's either you are coming from retrograde ejaculation or you have inability to reach orgasm. But what is the normal count for a semen? The normal count for a semen, according to WHO, is 20 million. A normal semen must have 20 million counts. Now, but many people, they come to me, they have results, say, doctor, my own is 20 million, one is 40 million, but I can still not impregnate my wife. There are many things that has to do with the count of a semen that is beyond the count. Semen analysis is beyond count. Count is relative. What is the motility? A good semen must have 75% motility. Are you getting me now? Now, 75% of it must be motile, but if you have 20 million and only 10% is motile, 40% is dead, the remaining is sluggish. It is rubbish. So you can even fertilize your wife as a man with low sperm count if your motility is high. Now, when the semen is collected, we first check for what? We check for the viscosity. What is the viscosity? You know, I have a VCD on infertility. All these things are practically demonstrated there. 1 hour after a sperm has been ejaculated and kept somewhere, if you put your hand like this, it must be drawing. It must be drawing. If it doesn't draw, that means it is non-viscous. It has liquefied. It has become like water. Are you getting me now? Now this is a semen. You want to check the viscosity of this one now. When you put your pipette like this is how they check it in the lab. And are you picking it, camera? Now look at. See the way it is drawing. See the way this one is drawing. This one is viscous, but it's not highly viscous. The viscosity is moderate. That's the thing. Are you getting me now? This is another one. You know? You pick it like this. And by the time you see how drawing it is drawing. This is a high viscous sperm semen. Highly viscous. A good semen must be viscous. Now, after checking for the viscosity is very essential. After checking for the viscosity, you now bring the semen onto the slide like this. You want to check for the motility, and you check for the motility. Like I have told you, a good semen must have nothing less than 75% motility. And after the 75% motility, each of the semen, by the time they are wagging their tails, a spermatozoa must be able to wag its tail 80 times before it can hit an egg. Like the one I'm showing you on my system now. You say they are swimming. You see the way they are swimming. They must wag their tails 80 times before they can hit an egg. If it cannot wag its tails 80 times before it can hit an egg, it cannot fertilize an egg. That is why they will write it. Motility, they will say either it is excellent, it is good, or it is poor. If it is excellent, that means it can swim well. They can wag it 80 times. If it is good, that means it is average. But when it is poor, that means it cannot wag it 80 times. So it can't hit an egg. In that wise, it cannot fertilize an egg. Now, beside that, what else do you check for in the sperm? Now, I have told you now the one you are watching on. These are practical samples from our lab. The first one I'm showing you now is a highly motile semen. Then the other one is the one that is not highly motile. You understand? They are motility, but it's not as high as the first one. And this last one you are seeing now. Now, the last one you are seeing now has no sperm cells at all. There's no single motility there. That is what we call azoospermia. That means it has no single sperm cell. That one can never fertilize a woman unless it is corrected.